Damn it, but this truck is finally done. All blacked out. 5% tint on the side windows. All primered black on the black steelies. Smoked headlights. Ooh, bubble lights for the win, bro. You already know. Let me show you guys the interior. The interior, like it's something nice. But got those brackets, racing seats. You already saw everything else. Quick release. Bam, bam. Then we got Tokyo Drift mode activated. Blue, yellow, purple. Hey, purple looks kind of nice. But I keep it on red because red is fast. Always buy your stuff red. Red looks fast. No, I'm just kidding. But we redid the headliner. I don't know how I'm liking it, to be honest. You can't really see it, but it's not too bad. You don't really see it. But bandana. But it's the interior. Pop that and show you guys what we're working with. 5.3 stage 4 cam, long tube, spark plug wires, all that fun stuff. What else was I gonna know? Cold air intake, EGR delete right there, little plate. Nothing much, nothing crazy. Oh, and then E-fans too. Bada bing. But what should we name it? We got the OG over there chilling, but this is the main project. I see stained up my driveway, but at least it's running and driving now. I got some clips of it. I'll enter them after this, but it's pretty sick. I'm gonna change my license plate anyways. They'll black that one, so yes sir. That's how it looks. I'm gonna put some clips of me driving. Yeah, this thing's a monster. This thing's too loud, honestly. It really is. I usually like my trucks loud, but this is obnoxious. Like I need something nice, like a Magnaflow or something, or that's quieter when I'm driving, and then when I step on it, it opens up. So if you guys have a good recommendation, comment down below. But this is a truck. Show you guys my little trap door back here for my fuel pump, because I did not take off the bed, so cut a square and took it out. But it is what it is. I gotta fix that bed gap too, but oh well. That's how it looks. Next thing I want to do is just spray it gloss black, just cheap. I don't want to do no body work, just literally someone just spray it gloss black. But all right, enough talking. I'm gonna enter the clips of me driving, and yeah, we'll see you. Stage 4 cam, cold air, header, spark plug wires, main stuff. I mean, simple stuff, but that's about it. I'm putting the clips of me running and driving and all that, and yeah, peace. end of the video. Finally, after 8 months, it's done. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I need new wheels and tires ASAP, so I'll let y'all know which ones I'm gonna go with. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.